thoroughly conscious ignorance is the prelude to every real advance in science. It is of great advantage to the student of any subject to read the original memoirs on that subject, for science is always most completely assimilated when it is in the nascent state. Francis Galton, whose mission it seems to be to ride other men's hobbies to death, has invented the felicitous expression structuralist germs. It is a good thing to have two ways of looking at a subject, and to admit that there are two ways of looking at it. I have looked into most philosophical systems and I have seen that none will work without God. All the mathematical sciences are founded on the relations between physical laws and laws of numbers. I have the capacity of being more wicked than any example that man could set me. The greatest test of courage is to bear defeat without losing heart. It is better to negotiate standing on 2 feet, compared to when a foot is on your chest. Have you no wish for others to be saved? Then you are not saved yourself, be sure of that. One of the weaknesses of our age is our apparent inability to distinguish our need from our greed. Every time history repeats itself, the price goes up. The mathematical difficulties of the theory of rotation arise chiefly from the want of geometrical illustrations and sensible images, by which we might fix the results of analysis in our minds. Color as perceived by us is a function of 3 independent variables, at least 3 are I think sufficient, but time will show if I thrive. Heat may be generated and destroyed by certain processes, and this shows that heat is not a substance. We can scarcely avoid the inference that light consists in the transverse undulations of the same medium, which is the cause of electric and magnetic phenomena. The only laws of matter are those that our minds must fabricate, and the only laws of mind are fabricated for it by matter. The true logic for this world is the calculus of probabilities, which takes account of the magnitude of the probability. In every branch of knowledge, the progress is proportional to the amount of facts on which to build, and therefore to the facility of obtaining data. It is a universal condition of the enjoyable, that the mind must believe in the existence of a law, and yet have a mystery to move about in.